Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm heading out to replace a defrost control board and sensor, and this is basically a little part 2 to the heat kit I replaced that didn't fix the problem. Y'all remember that video? That is the call I'm heading to work on today, so I'm gonna bring y'all along and get this board swapped out and get the system back going, so y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we have made it. Just gotta grab my stuff here. Got our new board, a new sensor. Let's head around here to the outdoor unit. Alright guys, made it down this big steep bank to the outdoor unit. First thing I'm gonna do, kill my power. We'll get this thing popped open. Get this thing changed and go home. My last one on a Friday, so that's good. It's been a long week. All right, get my meter here, make sure our voltage is dead. I would even check it, guys, for the guys that are just beginning this, starting. You higher up guys that are been doing this way longer can say the same thing. Always just check real quick. And we are good. All right, so we're changing this board here. It is a Bryant heat pump. We got our main fan wire here, our DF2 and our DF1 wires. Hang them down here out of the way. We got a bunch of plugs to play with. That's our main low voltage plug. We got our pressure switch plugs, wires. And our defrost sensor, which we'll also be replacing. Alright, so just got one screw here, and we can pull it out of there. Leave that out of the way. Whoa, come here, board. Fell right out of my hand. No burnt spots on this one, which you know, it don't always have to be that case, but we're going to have to turn this in on warranty. All right, so we can put our new stuff on now. All right guys, I'm gonna pop this top and we'll take the old sensor out first here. notch off to get to it. All right, a little bit of a struggle there, but we got it. So I just got to unclip just one zip tie, one in here and one in the compartment, and we can pull it out. What a big mess. All right, guys, I got the old sensor pulled out. Here's my new one. I'm gonna open it up and get it put in here. Alright guys, I was able to get my new one ran in. So I just got to get my top put back on and mount the new board, fix up the wiring, and test it. Line back up. Time for a new battery. That's about dead. All right, now we can get a new board mounted. All right guys, got my new board here. Get it stuck on. Alright, get my screw in it. Alright. DF1 wire to the contactor. Let me try to put some of this strap back up. We'll neaten it up more here in just a minute. All right, so I'm gonna leave this off so I can test defrost. So we got our sensor we just put in. Oops. Let's see. All right. That wire for the pressure switch and our main low voltage plugs. All right, plug and play. Now I just gotta get my white wire hooked back up here. Oh, come on, dang it. All right, that a little neater. Now I can go turn it on. We'll come back and we'll test, make sure it defrosts good and everything. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, I got my power back on. Got my fan wire pulled. So I'm gonna get this cool really good and cold, and we'll check, make sure it defrosts. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, guys, we're back going on this one. I hope y'all enjoyed the footage I was able to get. System is back going great, heating great, and they're happy and I'm happy, so we're gonna head on to the next one. We'll see you on the next video, guys. Y'all have a good weekend.